Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do the ocean cleanup event and Heartopia Call of Whales event. Okay, let's get into it guys. The cleanup event has been released in Heartopia Call of Whales event, and if you want to participate it, you're going to go to the Wellfall. Okay, you're going to go to this area and you'll see ocean cleanup device, and if you want to join the event, just go to the device and then you can click on start ocean cleanup event, or actually you can join the other player who has started the event. So just go to this area and you'll ask permission from the host, or actually sometimes Rory start this event, but yeah, I'm gonna recommend you to start it by yourself so you can manage it well. Okay guys, and that's how you can join the ocean cleanup ocean cleanup event in Heartopia Call of Whales event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.